Gabby here, and as you can tell from the title, today I finally have my jpfans haul. I think like a month or two ago I made my video talking about my experience shopping on jpfans, and now I have a giant box of things to open and try on and show you guys. I will say jpfans did give me a store credit to shop on their site, but I also did spend my own money, so all of my opinions will be my own. I don't even think I showed y'all everything I got. I have a good mix of clothing, anime goods, precure stuff, chiikawa stuff, so many different things. But yeah, let's just get into it. But before we get into the try on haul unboxing video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And I'm honestly just really excited to get to style a lot of the clothes that's in this box. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Y'all, I didn't realize the seasonal depression had hit so hard because now that it's warm and sunny, I'm like, oh my God, I'm so much happier. This is crazy. Can you see what's on the top? Can you see what's on the top? Can you tell what this is from what's on the top of the box? Oh my God. Okay, wait. Yeah, is this a good box? As I'm going through each item, I will insert a photo. These photos are what I received from jpfans. So basically once my items arrived at the warehouse, they sent me photos of everything so I could quality check. So that is what you will see as I'm going through everything. And we're gonna start with the anime goods because I didn't really get all that much. I thought I got more anime stuff, but I really just bought a lot of clothes. But the first thing, can you see them? I had to get them. I simply had to, and you'll see why, especially once we get to a certain clothing item. They're little meeple and mepples. I had to. They have like a little like zipper pouch, I think for like coins, but I don't even really care about that. I'm mostly just, I would like my friend and I to clip these on our bags, and it's like they're always with us because we are them. They're so cute. Oh my God. Like, shut up, my cutie patootie perfect girl. These are from, there was a Shimamura precure collection that came out, and from what I understand, Shimamura is kind of like a Japanese Walmart or TJ Maxx. They had a precure collection. I had to get these. There's something else also from the precure collection in my clothing pile, but yeah, I had to get them. They were very cute. Because like, imagine how cute it would be if I'm wearing like a cute little outfit and I have her like clipped on my skirt or clipped onto my purse. She needs to be everywhere with me. What if I need to transform into a magical girl and my little fairy mascot isn't with me? And then my friend has to have their little fairy mascot so we can transform together. It's just important, okay? All right, yeah. The other two items are chiikawa. I recently have fallen in love with the little monster in chiikawa. I love him. He's so cute. I'm just kind of obsessed. And it's just so cute. I'm going to probably replace this with a different type of keychain holder. But like, this is just a cutie patootie. What a little cutie patootie. I just love. So soft, so sweet. I love bag charms. I really have a problem with bag charms. It's my weakness. But the other thing I got, which technically could go, you could go on the bag. Oh, it's like, this is way, oh, it has compartments. I thought this was just a generic little tote bag. This is, I believe this was for a Valentine's Day collection this past year. I thought it was so adorable and so my aesthetic. Cause like the pink and the brown, it's just very me. Where is this from? I don't know where this is from, but it has all these compartments. Like there's like a big pocket. I feel like this pocket could probably fit like a water bottle or something. And then like a smaller pocket with a wallet pocket. I thought this was just like a plain empty tote bag and I was gonna make an insert and a zipper, but this has compartments and it feels like that like kind of waterproof material. This is way nicer than I thought it would be. I thought this would be like a cloth tote bag. If you can get this, this is so nice and it's adorable. Like, come on, like look at the baby. It would be so cute there. I just thought this was adorable. There was a bunch of other things in this Valentine's Day collection, but I really liked the bag. And now that I know it has all these compartments, I'm going to use this so much. It's adorable. All right, now we're on to the 10,000 clothing pieces. I'm going to start with something that I had almost bought recently, but I waited and then got it in this order. If it looks familiar, it's because I have this cardigan in another color and I love it so much that I thought about getting it in this kind of like tan color. Oh my God, she's so soft. Also, I will insert try-on shots for each of the items. I'm not trying everything on right now, but I will insert that in the video so you can see. This is one of my favorite cardigans from Majestic Legion. I have it in like a dusty purple color, but I thought this like tan light brown would match a lot of things. And it's like basically brand new. I initially got it because I loved the like heart knit design, and it has like these really cute buttons. You know, it's by Majestic Legion. I love this cardigan. It's also like the perfect length on me as someone who has like a short torso. Like it looks baggy without being too baggy. And I figured this would go with so many things. It also could be good in the summer. Like it's not like too thick. Like I could wear it in the summer. Sorry, my cat just saw a bug outside and jumped at the window, if you heard that. But I'm very happy to style this. All right, this next item is a kind of like loose knit top from Rojita. I love this type of kind of loose knit kind of sweater, but not really a sweater. I love this style of top. I have like a cream one, I have a pink one, and I thought a black one would be really useful to have for summer. I love these types of tops. I think this would be super cute for so many summer coordinates. Oh, she's so cute. This is a skirt from Noemi. I really fell in love with their pieces recently, and I just think they make really cute designs. And this is one of their little, like, I think it's it's a skirt with shorts built in, and it's their pink plaid. I really like it. The back has a stretchy waistband, and then the front has these really cute little pearl buttons. I just think this will go with so many things, and I'm very excited to style it. So, like I said about those Precure keychains, how there was a Shimamura Precure collection. Well, Shimamura made a bunch of Precure track jackets, and I had to get the jpashion one. I thought this was so stinking cute. I'm so excited to style it. It's like got this really cute like white ruffle along the edges, and it has pockets, and then the little, where is she? And the fresh emblem for jpashion. I know they are making these for Futariwa through Fresh, but I haven't seen anything past Fresh get one of these little jackets. I'm so excited to wear this. I don't wear a lot of, I mean, I'm wearing red right now, but I don't normally wear a lot of red, but I would like to wear more red because I like how it looks with my hair color. I feel like red looks nice on me. So yeah, I'm excited to have cute little track jackets to style. One of my favorite brands is Gureru. It's spelled GRL. And they just always have really cute little trendy pieces. And I almost bought this sweater. It's like not really a sweater, it's like a knit top. I almost bought this like months ago. It's literally with the tag brand new. This claims to be the pink, but it feels very beige to me and not really pink. But we'll see. I'll try it on. Maybe, actually, I think it would look really cute with the Noemi skirt. I feel like their colors are similar enough that they would look nice. We'll see. I am really bad at buying white tops. I'm always terrified I'm going to ruin them. And I'd like a white top for summer because I feel like it matches everything. And this one is just so stinking cute. It's like got this like lace detail design and like that similar kind of collar with the buttons and a little bow, but it has these cute little puffed sleeves, and then it has like elastic at the bottom to kind of have like a little like poof shape. I just think this will be super flattering with so many little skirts, maybe even shorts if I feel so inclined, but I'm usually a skirt person in the summer, so I'm excited to style this. This next item I've almost bought so many times, and then recently I realized it looked like Anon's outfit she wears in my girl, but like for casual outfits. So that made me want to get it even more. This is a kind of like dress jumper skirt situation from Liz Mellow, which was a sub-brand of Liz Lisa that was like a collaboration with My Melody, as you can tell from the literal tag that is still on it. I love so many Liz Mellow pieces, and they have gotten crazy expensive. But I just felt like this was so cute because Anon's outfit, I swear, she wears like a dress very similar to this with like a white top underneath. And I'm excited to try to wear a similar outfit at some point, but it's so soft and cute. Do you see my son? Do you see my perfect son? My current favorite Sanrio character is Hanamaru Obake. He's the little ghost guy that cheers you on. And when I saw the back of the shirt, I was like, I have to buy this. It's a fuzzy patch of him, and it's embroidered with the like Hanamaru flower that he always draws. I just thought this was so cute. You could technically wear this as the front or this as the front really, but I thought this, it's just such a nice quality shirt too. It's from a Veil, and you know, I just really like it. It's like a very thick white t-shirt. I feel like this could be really cute, like tucked into a skirt or wear it oversized. I have ideas, I have concepts in mind. So this top is from the brand Olive d'Olive. And I just thought this was so cute and like something I could wear to work even. It's a cream top with like little black polka dots, and I love the polka dot trend. It's very cute. With this little like kind of Peter Pan collar and these little sleeves. I thought this with like a black skirt or black pants for work would be super cute. If I wasn't wearing it to work, I'd probably wear it with like a black skirt like tucked in and like some black boots and some cute little accessories. I just thought it was adorable. All right, this is another piece from Gureru. It is their kind of like cardigan with this little matching like cami tank top that you wear underneath, and you like leave it open so you can have the little crisscross bow. I thought this was a really cute combination. I almost got it in pink, but I thought red would be nice again because I have a lot of pink and I like wearing red, but I don't own a lot of red. So yeah, it feels really nice. Like it's a nice thick knit. I'm worried about the quality of the straps themselves. They're kind of thin, but I think as long as I take good care of it, I should be fine. My last red item. I'm sorry, I saw him and I had to have him. He's just a little guy. I thought this with like a gray pleated skirt or a brown pleated skirt would be so stinking cute in the winter. I know it's summer, okay? But I love sweaters so much. This is also from Majestic Legion. It's just so cute. I couldn't figure out if it came in any other colors because I only found this one, but I just thought he was so precious. He's so precious. I needed him. The last thing should be incredibly obvious. Again, I got the Meeple and Meeple from that collection. I had to get the Cure Black and Cure White jackets for my friend and I had to. And so the Cure Black one, instead of the ruffle being white like it was for the Passion one, it's the hot pink. And then they have their little heart emblem design. The zipper is also a little heart, which I just noticed. That's really cute. And then the back is just plain. It is super nice feeling. Like it doesn't feel, like it feels like a nice like breathable material. I'm very excited. I know my friend is gonna freak out when I give them this. And so obviously I had to get the Cure White one to match. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, I don't wear a lot of white, but I feel like this with like a white little ruffle skirt or something. I need a blue skirt. I need a light blue skirt, I feel like, with this would be super cute. Their little emblem. And then the ruffles on this one are a light blue with the same little heart zipper pull. I love these. If they would make these for Heart Catch, I literally will go back and buy them because I have to. I think the concept of having a cute little Precure track jacket is the greatest thing I could have in my life. But yeah, that is everything I bought through jpfans. I've inserted clips of me trying everything on, but I then will come back to tell you my final thoughts on everything, if everything fit correctly. I mean, that's not jpfans' fault, that's just my fault as an online shopper. But yeah, I will be back with my final thoughts. Future Gabby here. I did actually try everything on all on the same day as me opening everything. I thought I could wait. I have no patience, but I didn't really style all the pieces. I really just went to try everything on, and everything fits, thankfully. I'm very happy about that. If you want to see how I actually style these pieces, I mean, obviously the winter pieces I'm not going to be styling right now, but the things that can be more versatile and more like spring, summer, I will be styling those as probably shorts, or maybe I'll do a full outfit video if y'all want to see that. But yeah, overall, I'm happy with everything I ordered. I just want to say logistically, there was an issue the first time they tried to ship my package, but they couldn't really explain to me what the issue was. And I was confused because all I really bought was clothes and little keychains. So I don't really think there was a reason for there to be a logistical shipping issue, but they did eventually ship out my order. But again, the communication wasn't always the clearest in terms of what the issue itself was. So I would just be a little bit careful, but you know, overall, I'm happy with my order. I appreciate how they quality checked everything and how everything is consolidated into one package. I appreciate that immensely. That'll be it for this week's video on jpfans. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes, you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what your favorite thing I got was. Obviously, I love the Precure track jackets immensely, but I also think clothing piece wise, oh, it's so hard to choose. There were so many cute clothing pieces I got. I honestly think that white blouse from Honey Cinnamon is one of my favorites, because in my head I'm already like, this will go with so many things, and I'm very excited to style it. Speaking of styling, I have all my other social media linked in the description. I post a lot of short form content there of me putting together outfits or just sharing my outfit of the day. So if you would like to see how I style things, please let me know. And if you want a long form video of how I style pieces, please let me know, because I will happily make that. And yep, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!